Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ki Pulit ka Rieh District haka arpulai trik unaitung arjak pun Briew. Ki la penmi da kajing pen pendapat ba. Persya ya ki Ngut ki Briew ki badai na kajak pen Briew garu ki bala Shah Phet halor ka kies. Bala register ha Bernihat police station hapok ka kendon iway not lie / iway lie hapok bracket san jong ka BNS. Ki ni ki kendon ki kedo ha ka badai bat ka jington keti jong ki ban dekat jubor ya ka mensim Briew. Hau kerua bala pha Dau Superintendent of Police ke Rieh District ringkat bagi dur kidar la pentip bagi Ngut ki Briew bagi Pulit kidang Phet hadu mentah kidai belatip kerteng kum ucitru sangma ubala arpos nem kerta unipul sangma ubala arpos nem kerta utobias marang ubala arpos nem kerta bat ucikring mumin ubala arpos nem kerta kiba syong basa hakasnong dahel bagan Bernihat Rieh District. SP Lokerpat ya Kynnoh kiba donjing tip syapang ka syong gasa jeng kini ki Ngut bakin pentip sya ka police control room nongpo ha mobile number kendai prasan Rieh not pra sausan iwesa.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.